In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Bluetooth received files on a Windows 11 laptop. If you've ever received files via Bluetooth and wondered where they disappear to, you're not alone. Today, I'll guide you through a simple process to locate these files effortlessly, ensuring you know exactly where your data ends up. Let's start with the basics. Whenever you want to find files you've received via Bluetooth, you should begin by opening the Quick Settings panel and Notification Center. To do this, press the Windows key along with the A key on your keyboard. This handy shortcut will instantly bring up the panel where you'll find notifications and settings all in one place. Once you have the Quick Settings panel open, keep an eye out for the Bluetooth icon. You'll notice a notification related to the file that was recently sent to your machine. This notification is key as it will direct you to the right place. Click on this notification. Doing so will open a new window specifically dedicated to saving the received file. This is your main gateway to accessing these files, as the window will display the default location where your file is stored. Now, you might be curious about where exactly these files land. In this Save the Received File window, you'll see the default location path, usually set to a specific folder within your files. However, if this default location isn't ideal for your needs, you have the flexibility to change it. There's a convenient Browse button available for you, and by clicking on it, you can select a new folder where you'd prefer to keep your Bluetooth files. Whether you want them in a specific project folder or anywhere else, it's completely up to you. Once you've decided on a location, the next step is to finalize the process. Click the Finish button. By doing this, you are confirming the saving of the file to your specified directory. It's important to note that clicking Finish not only completes the process, but also makes it straightforward to access the files in the future, since you already know exactly where to find them. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you'll now be able to locate and manage the files you receive via Bluetooth on Windows 11 easily. Remember, knowing where your files are stored gives you control and peace of mind about your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Bluetooth on Windows 11 a whole lot easier. If you found this helpful, don't hesitate to check out more of our tips and tutorials to make the most out of your tech tools.